Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there stood a tall mango tree, full of ripe, juicy mangoes. The sun was shining and birds were singing happily. Underneath the tree, an elderly Baba stood quietly, holding his walking stick, looking up at the mangoes with a gentle smile. Suddenly, the distant sound of a train reached the village. The Baba noticed the train coming near the tracks. With a sudden shake, a large branch of the mango tree snapped and fell to the ground. Mangoes scattered everywhere. The Baba held his head in sorrow, helplessly watching the fallen mangoes. His heart ached at the sight of the broken tree. As the train passed and faded into the distance, the Baba stood silently beside the fallen mangoes, feeling the loss of the beautiful tree.